look at that. I need a new Rubik's Cube. This is a QiYi. It has, I like this. Let's see what I cube. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Look at that. This 3x3. I know what we do with me scramble. This is so speedy. Look at that dynamite. I don't want to be QiYi. And how I solve it. This is a 3x3. Okay, ready, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I passed. I scrambled, and when I solved, this makes me easier. This colors, and look at this logo sticker. And let's see if gotta be a timer. Okay, here's a timer. Okay, now we solved in this here. Look at that. Okay, let's see. I win. Let's just scramble it up. Oh, I did it! 1 second. Look at that. I have a 1 second. I can see you. I guess we wins. Let's see. I secret when I do. Level 2. Oh gosh. This failed. Okay, next. And again level 2. 0! I'm gonna show you. That's 0. Okay, I'm gonna show you the preview. Preview. Yeah, 0. This Rubik's Cube is so much fun. That will be, I guess, close the tablet. Alright, next I'll scramble. How I wanna be wins? I wanna be in next video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, and subscribe for more. This unboxing has a QiYi. You can get it by from QShop HK store. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Like, share, and subscribe.